In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Outlook to dark mode on Windows 11. If you spend a lot of time checking email, managing your calendar, or working in Outlook throughout the day, switching to dark mode can make the screen feel a lot more comfortable, especially in low light or during long work sessions. It also gives Outlook a cleaner, more modern look. The good news is that this is very quick to do, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To get started, open Outlook on your Windows 11 computer. Make sure the app is fully loaded so all of the menu options are visible and easy to access. Once you're inside Outlook, look toward the top right area of the window for the gear icon. This gear icon is where you'll find the settings menu. Go ahead and click the gear icon. This will open the settings panel where you can adjust different parts of how Outlook looks and behaves. After that, find and click General. This section contains the broader appearance and interface settings for Outlook, so that's where we need to go next. Inside General, click Appearance. This is the section that controls the visual theme of Outlook. Once you open it, you'll see different mode options available. These may include lighter themes as well as darker ones, depending on your version of Outlook. From the available options, click Dark. As soon as you select it, Outlook will switch to the darker theme preview, or prepare that setting to be applied. To make sure the change is saved, click Save. That's it. Outlook should now be using dark mode. If you don't notice the change immediately, give the app a second to refresh. In some cases, closing and reopening Outlook can help the new appearance apply more clearly, although usually it updates right away. Dark mode can be especially useful if you work at night, want to reduce eye strain, or simply prefer a darker interface over the standard bright background. And that's all you need to do to change Outlook to dark mode on Windows 11. It only takes a moment once you know where to look. If you ever want to switch back, you can return to the same appearance section and choose a different theme.